If your Venmo app isn't working and you're not allowed to send any payments on it, there are several reasons why it could be happening. So in today's video, we'll be going over the main ones. And actually one of the main things that could be causing it is the app itself being out of date. Now, the app itself usually does a good job of keeping itself up to date, and it will usually give you an error message right at the bat telling you when it needs an update. If you didn't get said message, you can still double check if it needs an update via your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, depending on what you're using. On the Play Store, tap on your icon in the top right, then go into the Manage section, and then go into Updates and see if the app needs updates. On the Apple App Store, once again tap on your profile picture in the top right and then scroll down until you reach the update section, and once again make sure Venmo is not there. Sometimes you may get a message instead about it being some planned maintenance. At that point you can't really do much other than just waiting. Now, they usually post about it on, for example, the Venmo support account on the Twitter/X account, so you can always just check there to see exactly when any maintenance is going down, when the servers will be back up, or if they're experiencing any other outages. If you get a more generic something went wrong error, then there could be a lot more things causing it, so make sure that all your details are correct, make sure that all the payment information is also okay, and also make sure that the recipient's account is also fine. If nothing else works, you can try to message the previously mentioned support account to see if they'll be able to help you. Sometimes it could give you some more detailed message, like for example insufficient funds, which is rather self-explanatory, payment declined, which could be happening for a plethora of options, but usually the payment details being incorrect, or some kind of restrictions being placed on your or the recipient's account, or also some message about you already reaching your sending limit for the week, given how unverified accounts can only send up to $300 to others or transfer $1,000 into their own bank account. And while there are still some limits after verification, they are much higher. But those are the main things that could be causing the Venmo app to not work for you. So hopefully it helped you solve that, and if it did, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.